In this video, we'll be talking about the Controls section of the settings in Profit. In the Controls section, you'll be able to enable or disable different OKR settings like creation timeframes, approval flows, moving OKRs, and weighted key results. You need to be a super user to access the Profit settings. To get to Controls, navigate to Settings, OKRs, and select Controls from the drop-down menu. On this page, you'll find 4 sections: OKR Authoring Timeframe, OKR Approval Flows, Moving OKRs, and Weighted Key Results. The first section, OKR Authoring Timeframe, allows you to set a specific range when users are able to create OKRs. When the toggle is enabled, you can set the window for OKR creation to so many days before the beginning of a quarter and so many days after the beginning of a quarter. After this period ends, OKR creation will be locked. If users want to create an objective after the window has ended, they can click on the lock to request an extension. Super users can designate employees who are able to grant these extensions by adding them under the Window Extensions section of the timeframe. Here they can also set the default length of the extension. Users who have extension access will be able to see their pending extension requests under the OKR setting of the toolbar. The next component of the controls is OKR Approval Flow. When this is enabled, a user's created OKRs will need to be approved by their management. In this section, you can determine what level of management you'd like to be approved at, whether it's their direct manager, their manager's management, etc., or you can create a customized list of employees who will be able to approve OKRs. If any one of the people on the list approve, the OKR will be approved. Next, you can turn on accepting or rejecting moving OKRs, which will require OKRs who have been moved to another user to accept or reject the movement. And last, you can turn on weighted key results, which will allow users to define weights for their key results within an OKR. When weighted key results are enabled, users will have the option to select specific weights for each of their key results underneath an objective.